Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your age on TikTok using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't offer a direct option to change your age in the settings. But don't worry, you can still request a change by contacting TikTok support. Here's how to do it. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Even though this isn't a technical problem, this is the correct way to submit a request. Under the Help topics, tap Account and Profile, then choose Editing Profile. Next, select Other from the list of options. You'll now see a page asking, "Is your problem resolved?" Tap No, and you'll see a new option. Need more help? Tap that to open a form where you can write your support request. In the message box, type something like, "Hello, I would like to update my age. My correct birth date is." Add your birth date. If possible, attach a government-issued ID or any document that verifies your date of birth. It's optional, but TikTok may request it to approve the update. Once submitted, TikTok support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. A few important notes. You can only change your age once every 90 days. If you're under 13, TikTok may not allow the update due to age restrictions. Changing your age may impact some features on your account, depending on your new age. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.